If you're wondering why you don't see your abs despite working out or being lean, or how your posture can have an impact on getting your abs to show up, then keep on watching this video up to the very end to find out 4 reasons why your abs are shy to pop up. The reason most people don't see their abs is because they're covered in a layer of fat. So I can't stress this enough because I keep watching other influencers talking about doing 1000 sit-ups and getting abs in 1 week, but this doesn't work that way because we can't spot reduce fat. So we cannot use an exercise to target an area to burn fat because training makes your muscles grow, but it can't blast away all your fat. Fat loss is what makes your abs pop up even if you're skinny. So with that being said, you may be killing your workouts but still not getting results, even if you're doing cardio and weights daily, because you may be eating too much and you're not in a calorie deficit. So focus on getting your nutrition under control, because the only way for you to show abs is to be in a low body fat percentage. And to decrease the amount of fat, there needs to be combined effort between nutrition and exercising. And I think that women start to show their abs around 16% body fat, and they all become more defined as that number lowers. But of course, this depends from person to person. The second reason is that you may have anterior pelvic tilt and small hips. So for all my girls out there who have anterior pelvic tilt, so when the pelvis is rotated forward, yes, we may have to work a little harder to get our abs to show, because our womb is convex outwards and our organs don't have enough space if we have small hips. So first you have to work on neutralizing your pelvis by doing compound movements, which are deadlift and squat, and core exercises such as bird dog, vacuums and diaphragmatic breathing, which work our transversus abdominis abs, which hold our organs in place. And benefits of strong core are not only aesthetically, but also for good posture and overall strength in the gym and everyday life. The third reason is that you don't use your core in your everyday life. So you should be using your core in your everyday activities, but not just when working out. And doing so, you will accelerate your path towards getting that six-pack, because you'll be working your abs 24/7, but not just when doing crunches. And if you have anterior pelvic tilt, your pelvis should never be in that position because your core isn't active. But you have to tuck your pelvis in and engage your glutes. And that should be your position whether you're in the gym, taking a walk, or even cooking a lunch. And finally, we have bloating and girls' problems. So this is an example of how much my body can change from morning to night. So I want to show you that fluctuation of your body's appearance and also things like a bit of bloating are normal. Yes, girls, I'm lean, I have abs, but guess what? I still experience all those same things as you. We all experience a little bloating at times. I know it can be uncomfortable and often leads us to feeling negatively about our body image, feeling like we have instantly gained weight and ruined our progress. But don't beat yourself up or be ashamed, because it happens to all of us. And the good news is that bloating or even water retention is not fat gain, but a normal part of life as a woman leading up to and during your cycle. And remember that just in a few days' time, your body will be back to normal. And there are many causes of bloating, but it may be a PMS symptoms for you, food sensitivities, large meals, too high fiber in one sitting, or maybe gassy drinks. So of course you don't have control over your menstrual cycle, but try to identify what foods and drinks may trigger your bloating and minimize them. If you like this video and found it helpful, make sure to watch this video over here to learn how to lose fat and get sustainable long-term results without depriving yourself and losing muscle. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!